Best air conditioners for 2025. Which one should you buy? When looking for the best air conditioners in 2025, several factors come into play, including energy efficiency, smart features, and overall reliability. Here's a breakdown of key considerations and some top brands. Key factors to consider. Energy efficiency. Look for high SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, ratings. Inverter technology is also crucial for energy savings. Consider models with energy-saving modes and smart features that optimize energy consumption. Cooling capacity. Choose an AC with the appropriate BTU, British thermal units, rating for the size of your room. Smart features. Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control compatibility, like Alexa or Google Assistant, and smart home integration enhance convenience. Air purification. Many modern ACs include advanced filtration systems to remove allergens and pollutants, improving indoor air quality. Durability and reliability. Choose reputable brands known for their build quality and after-sales service. Noise levels. Consider the unit's decibel ratings for quiet operation. Based on current trends and information, these brands are consistently recognized for their quality and innovation. Daikin. Known for their advanced inverter technology and energy-efficient solutions. Focus on durability and reliability. Mitsubishi Electric. Reputation for premium cooling performance and cutting-edge technology, including eye-driven climate control. LG. Offers innovative features like dual inverter compressors and smart connectivity through the LG Think app. Carrier. A pioneer in air conditioning technology, focusing on durability and energy efficiency. Samsung. Known for features like wind-free cooling and AI-powered climate control. Panasonic. Known for their Nano X technology for air purification. Technology is constantly evolving, so new and improved models will continue to emerge. The best AC for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. When looking at online information, it is important to remember that product availability and pricing can change depending on your region.